Oh, I love your little hugs, Peppa. I love you. Oh, his hugs are so tight. I feel like he's gonna choke me. You're so loving. Oh. Yeah, to start the vlog with me this morning. Hey babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say hello. Say hi. Blow them kisses. Hey. It's a brand new day, and
Mama.
outside. Yes, my love.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Mwah. I love you. Outside is looking bright and beautiful this morning. Lots of boats in the water, so you know it's a good day. Lots of boat out today. Let me show you guys what outside is looking like. But ooh, it's the first time stepping out since I woke up. And oh, it's a little bit chilly because it's windy. Even though the sun is out, it's so beautiful. But as you can look at the palm trees to see how windy it is. It's very, very windy. Very windy, but the sun is out. So when you're in the sun, it doesn't feel too bad. But the sea is blue and there's so many boats out. I don't think you guys can see, but there's so many boats out. I realize especially on Sundays, there's lots and lots of boats out. I'm trying to zoom to see if you guys can see. Ah, there you go. There you go. See all those boats out in the water. Lots and lots of boats out. I realize whenever it's a good day, there's lots of boats out. Lots and lots of boats. City is really looking beautiful this morning. It's really looking peaceful and vibrant and shiny. Tyler is here looking out at his favorite spot.
Mama.
Come, baby, let's come back inside. Come on.
Baba.
Come. Come on. You don't wanna come? Come on. I'm not gonna leave you out. Remove your fingers. Be careful. Okay, you guys. Baby's sleeping in again because he's still very tired, you know. He needs a few days to recover from going right back to work after vacation. What are you doing? You're dancing? What's on your face? Banana is on your face. You want apple? Say please.
Please.
You want apple? Apple please. This boy loves apple and loves banana. Tell me, your pampers feel huge. And they just change you, huh? He loves giving me hugs. Oh, I love your little hugs, Peppa. I love you. Oh, his hugs are so tight. I feel like he's gonna choke me. You're so loving. Oh, I love you so much. You're gonna choke me. Alright, let me go give you your apple. You don't want your apple? Let me see what time it is. It's 11 o'clock. I'm not gonna give you any apple now and you're gonna get lunch in an hour. I love you. Thank you for your hugs. Oh, my baby. He's gonna choke me. You're gonna choke me? Bye. Bye. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and make babe some breakfast. Maybe I have to carry to him in bed this morning, or he'll wake up in time to have it. And my stomach is not really feeling to 100 today. It's just one of those days. So yeah, I'm going to just jump in the kitchen and make some breakfast real quick. Hey, you sweet boy. Let's go make breakfast. Go. Go on. Breakfast is ready and everybody is happy, but since baby's still in bed, I'm going to take his breakfast to him because he really needs the rest. So I'm going to give him breakfast in bed this morning so he can just wake up and have his breakfast and then goes back to bed. You soon get it, baby. You soon get it, okay? So that's breakfast in bed for babe this morning. So while babe having breakfast in bed, Tyler and I having breakfast / lunch because it is Tyler's lunchtime already because we slept in. Well, I actually slept in a little bit later than usual, so it's now almost 12 o'clock. So it's Tyler's lunchtime and I'm just having breakfast. Tyler is having rice, carrots and chicken. But of course, you know, he's gonna be having some of my breakfast anyway. So yeah, you guys, make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys are having a yummy breakfast like we are having a yummy breakfast. And just stay positive, please. Good boy. And enjoy your day. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. There goes Mr. Tired. He's finally awake and pushing Ty. We're actually heading to the park, and today's election day here in France, and babe decided he wants to vote. So he's going to vote today. You guys, it's the first you guys seen babe in hat. Don't you think he's super cute in hat? He looks so cute in hat. I love seeing him in hat so much. So I'm following him to vote now, and then we're gonna take Tyler to the park, to the big park, for a little play date. Go to Papa. Let him go, let him go. Woo! Il n'y a que toi qui pédale pour les copains, Farid. Cool. Allez, appuie fort. Come on, finish it. bedtime. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take a bow. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow them kisses. Good boy. He's off the bed, you guys. I'm giving you tiredness, sleep face, and everything. It has been a long day. So much happened today. Babe went and voted, which was pretty exciting. You're excited. You're satisfied with what you voted?
Well, I have to do a choice, satisfy or not. Citizenship duty. Like I always say, people in the past they fight to give you the right to vote. So even if sometimes you're not motivated, you don't want to vote, you don't know who you want for, just go and use it.
That's true. You guys don't watch my hair. I'm about to take a shower and just go straight to bed right now. And you feel hot.
Cause I'm hot.
Oh, you guys, I didn't give you guys a Jamaican expression today, so I'm just gonna jump into it and give you one off the tip of my head right now. So the Jamaican expression for today is, you ready for it? Dopey man.
Dopey man.
You know who's a dopey man?
Doesn't sound nice.
A dopey man is a ghost.
Okay.
So as a kid, the older persons always say to you, run, dopey man a come.
A country girl. A country girl.
So as a kid, I think every kid is afraid of ghosts or ghost story. So in Jamaica, we don't say ghost, we say dopey man. So a ghost in Jamaica is a dopey man. Well, whatever ghost is or whatever ghost wanna be, we call it dopey man. Say
A dopey man.
dopey.
Dopey.
Yeah, not dopey.
Yeah, dopey. A dopey man.
Yeah, dopey man.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression for from babes coming right away. Make sure you guys get it.
So why you didn't tell me this expression before with the Jamaica so I can say kidding run dopey man come.
Well, it just pop up in my head right now. So next time you go to Jamaica, you can use it.
Right, I'm gonna have to hold the book and every day. Right, what is the Jamaican expression?
Alright you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm just going to head to bed because I'm tired, and tomorrow is going to be a long day. You guys have to watch the vlog tomorrow to see what we're gonna be up to tomorrow, but it's gonna be a really long, eventful day. We're looking forward to it. Alright you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, join the fan band, catch up at keep off, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. You crazy head.